Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Mexican street corn with canned corn, updated. Start by draining and rinsing one 15-ounce can of corn and pat it dry before cooking. Heat a skillet until very hot, then char the corn in batches for even color and flavor. Toss the corn with a creamy sauce of mayo, cotija, lime juice, and chili powder, then garnish with cilantro and serve warm. Gather one 15-ounce can of corn, 1/3 cup mayo or Greek yogurt, 1/4 cup crumbled cotija, 1 lime, chili powder, and cilantro. Drain and rinse the corn, then pat dry to prevent steaming. Prep the sauce in a bowl by mixing mayo, cotija, lime juice, and chili powder to taste. Keep garnishes ready so you can finish the corn quickly while it's hot for peak flavor and texture. If you're enjoying this guide, please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort while you cook. I use them when standing over a hot stove for long recipe tests, and they truly last. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat a heavy skillet over medium-high heat until it smokes slightly so the corn chars instead of steams. Add a little oil, then cook the drained corn in batches, stirring occasionally to create even browning. Once the kernels are nicely charred, toss them with the prepared sauce and taste for seasoning, adding salt, chili powder, or extra lime as needed to balance heat and acidity for a classic, vibrant result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.